name is Donielle Fields, and I work at Sunrise County Economic Council in Washington County in the Family Futures Down East program. I first started going to We Care when I was pregnant with my daughter. I have 5 children. Pregnant, being in Washington County, didn't have my education yet, was trying to figure that all out, career and everything. So someone in the community said, go to We Care, they have diapers. And so I went over, checked it out, and it was literally, I raised all my kids through the center. Diapers, wipes, so they cover from like Millbridge to Calais, and since we live right in Machias, it was great. They'll do a delivery if you don't have transportation, and it's based off Wicker Maine Care, so if you have that, you're eligible to get the diapers and wipes, and then the clothes. So like I was getting clothes there for all of my kids, and then when they grew out of them, we would donate back, and it's all by donation. So if people in the community want to donate their clothes, leftover diapers, or monetary donations, it's hard to raise kids. It's expensive, and there's no rule book before having kids that's going to tell you this is how much it's going to cost. And that's why I went there, to get support with that, so I could maybe save money on diapers, so I could pay the electric bill or go grocery shopping or whatever it was. Not only could I get diapers and wipes and clothes, I'd bring the kids, they'd pick out a toy, they were happy. And then just talking to staff or the volunteers, because it's run by volunteers. And when I first started going, there was this elderly couple, a man and his wife, that were running the center, and they had lots of kids. And so it was good for them to see my kids and to talk like relatable subjects like, yeah, it's expensive to raise kids. Also getting resources. So I'm going to a place for diapers, and I'm walking out with resources on where I can get support for like parenting classes, where I can get support for like family dinners or community events. As my kids kind of aged out of diapers, finished my degree, got into an amazing job that I can still provide, my knowledge and resources back to the community. And so having that lived experience and using We Care in the community, now I can go to the families I work with and I can refer them back to We Care, or share a time I was struggling with them. Things that you think like, why is this happening to me? Why are my kids acting like this? Why aren't I good enough, or whatever? And being around other moms or grandmas, or people with all kinds of knowledge and experience, and just support, and knowing that you're not the only person struggling with not being able to come up with money for diapers that week, or groceries, or deciding which bill's going to get paid. We Care Baby Center relies heavily on donations, monetary or the material items, the support in the community alone. So we partner, we try to fundraise. It means everything to keeping the doors open at We Care. We see a lot of families come in with financial hardships. We can help with diapers and wipes and clothing and items, but we hear stories of families are struggling with buying school clothes for their kids, and so they're getting what they can at the center, or they're struggling with paying their rent, or they're getting evicted, which are things that we wish we could help in so many ways. There's always some kind of financial or mental health struggle that the family has coming in, and it's hard, and you wish that you could just change the world for them and for their children, and you can't, but it's just being there for them. It makes a huge difference in their lives. The struggle isn't just in Machias. It's not just from Millbridge to Calais. It's the entire county. It's the entire state. My hope would be for more volunteers, more donations, especially coming from an organization like United Way, is huge.